Hey guys, welcome back to our second length check update of 2018. Yes, so today I am bringing you our February length check update. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So if you haven't checked out my first length check video or my hair goals video, I will link the playlist up so you can check it out and get all caught up on our hair growth journey. So today I'm excited to measure my hair and see where we are at with our hair growth. If you guys remember, or if you don't know, I am growing out my hair for 2018 and I am doing these length checks every month to see how our growth is going. I'm also going to give you guys an update on how I've been doing on the things that I said I would do to help my hair grow. We will start with our actual length check, or should we wait till the end? I don't know. Alright, so before we get into the length check, I do want to give you guys an update on how I've been doing with my goals. The things that I said I would do to help my hair grow. So as you know, I am into bullet journaling. Here is my little bullet journal where I've been keeping track of my length check. Well, actually just one so far, but let me get to the page. Here you can see our tracker right here. So I filled in January and we will be filling in February in just a moment. So before we get into that, I do want to update you guys on how I've been doing with the things that I've promised to do this year to help my hair grow. So I've committed to 6 things. First of which is no haircuts, and I am happy to report that I have not cut my hair yet. So I am dying, honestly, to cut my hair because I feel like my ends need a little trim. I am starting to see a lot of fairy knots, so I really want to get rid of them, but I'm just gonna hold off a little bit longer. I've been inspecting my ends. I don't really have any split ends or anything like that, so we're good there. So I'll probably wait till May, June time frame to cut a little bit of my ends off. But in the meantime, we're just going to roll with it. So the next thing is eating healthy. Guys, I've been failing miserably in this area. So I already mentioned that I eat pretty healthy for the most part. I don't really eat fast food. I don't drink soda. I very rarely eat processed food, so I try to stick to healthier options. However, on top of that, I wanted to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into my diet. And I have not been doing well with that. I know in January I told you guys the same thing. So I have not been, I've been eating fruits and vegetables, just not more than what I wanted to. I have been thinking about just adding a salad to my meals every day. Every meal, actually. So every time I have lunch, regardless of what I'm eating, I'm going to eat a salad with it. And then when I have dinner, regardless of what I'm eating, I'm also going to add a salad to it. That way I know that I am adding in the additional fruits and vegetables that I want to. So not doing well in that area, guys. Ooh. The next piece of that is drinking water. So I committed to drinking 3 liters of water. So for me, 2 liters is easy peasy. For the most part, I can bang out 2 liters of water really early in the day, probably before like 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But where I'm struggling is the last liter. So I will hit that 2 liters and then I will kind of just not make it to that 3 liters. I'll drink another half a liter, maybe, and take it to that 2.5 liters of water. So I really have to continue to keep stretching myself because I'm not doing the best in that area either. So bear with me. We will get there, I promise. All right, guys, so the next goal that I had was to give myself scalp massages, and I'm happy to report that I've been giving myself a ton of scalp massages. Every chance I get, I'm in there massaging my scalp, so I'm really, really happy about that. And the next piece of that was to use hair growth oils. So I'm still only using the ones that I have here at home. So I've been using predominantly argan oil and almond oil in my scalp massages. So I've been incorporating that a lot more into my hair regimen. So that's been going well as well. And the last thing that I promised to do in 2018 to help my hair grow was to not touch my hair. So you guys know, if you saw my 2018 hair goals video, that is a huge challenge for me. It's still a challenge because I am still all up in here. However, I am doing a lot better. I'm a lot more conscious of it. So I don't touch my hair as much as I used to, which I think has been going pretty well. There you guys have it. Some parts of my goals are going well. Others I still need to work on. It's only February, so we have another whole 10 months to go. I know, I will get it. I will get there. So keep me on track, guys. Keep me accountable. If you have any tips to help me drink more water and eat more fruits and vegetables, please let me know, because that is the two areas that I'm struggling the most. So that's that. That's an update on how I've been doing with my goals. And now we're going to see where we are with our growth. So let's get to measuring. All right, guys, so I've got my measuring tape right here. So if you can remember from our January length check, we are measuring in both inches and centimeters, and we're measuring two parts. We're going to measure the front, which are my bangs, or grown out bangs now, and we're gonna measure the hair down here in the back. So let's start with the front and see where we're at. Okay, let me pull a piece and stretch it out. Okay, guys, right there, we're at 13 inches. Whoop, whoop. So, yeah, 13 inches. Nice. So that equates to, let's see, how many centimeters? Okay, 33 centimeters. Can you see that? Focus. There. All right, guys, so 13 inches and 33 centimeters in the front. So now let's measure the back. Okay, so I found the piece. And the back, oops, I just lost it. We're at 17 inches. Now let's do our centimeters. We are at, oh my gosh, I keep doing inches like over and over again. What is wrong with me? I think it's 43, but let me double check. It's a hair under 43. So 43 centimeters. Whoop, whoop. All right, guys, let's see how that compares to last month. Okay, guys, so we are doing really, really well with our hair growth. So our bangs grew 1 inch. Wow. So our bangs grew 1 inch. We were at 12 inches, we're now at 13 inches, and the bottom layer grew a whole 1.5 inches. We're at 15.5 inches and we're now at 17 inches and 3 centimeters. So it grew from 40 centimeters to 43 centimeters. Wowzers, guys. I was not even expecting any growth whatsoever, and to have achieved that much growth is super awesome. So whew, I'm happy with that. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's length check. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe so you can follow me on this journey to healthy hair growth. So we will be doing these length checks every single month. Be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of those videos and other videos that I post here on my channel. And I just want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.